Welcome back to my dollhouse, based on the sets of the TV show All Creatures Great and Small. The dollhouse is finished. Let's take a look at James and Helen's attic bedroom and the baby's room. We'll take a look at the finished hallways on the way upstairs. The front hallway serves as the waiting area for the veterinarian's offices, and that's why there's a puppy there in his little carrier. For reference, here's a still shot from the production designer's website. And a screen grab further down the hall, which shows the phone niche, and the stairs are to the right. And here's a close-up painting of the stag painting by the stairs. The show in the 1930s, 40s time period in the Yorkshire Dales is pretty much guaranteed to have a stag painting somewhere. So I included one above my stairs as well. I made the phone niche out of half an aspirin bottle, by the way, and built it into its own little wall. It's not something I'll be in a hurry to do again soon. And do you see the silver bas-relief plaque hanging above the puppy? It's made from a Wendy's kids meal spooky spoon. Here's a better picture of it. Now, for the second floor hallway, they only show the briefest glimpses of this hallway on the show. But here, James is heading toward the door that leads to his and Helen's attic bedroom. And I actually thought their hallway was kind of boring, so I made built-in cabinets for mine. They also showed a stained glass window there once. I couldn't find a picture of it on the show, but I included one. I also added a settee across the door to the bedroom. The attic bedroom set evolves over the series. First, James and Helen have a tiny kitchen up there, but that seems to go away after they have baby Jimmy. And also his nursery area is never fully shown to us. So that meant I could find some more photos for inspiration, like this one and this one. This is Barbara Costello's house of Brunch with Babs, and she worked with interior designer Blair Moore to create these very pretty designs. And for more inspiration, I did grab a couple stills from the show and made it into my version. I built the red cabinets to the left of the window. You can see slightly better here. And there's a kitten in the suitcase at the end of the bed. I made the suitcase too. In the corner are the steps that lead up into the room. And I included a few wedding photos of James and Helen, as well as Helen's wedding bouquet. Here's another view. And my copy of that desk area that I liked for inspiration. And it's hard to read, but there's an invitation from Comfrey Manor there on the dresser. So baby Jimmy's nursery is a step up from the other attic, and it has a room divider roof support, similar to the one that I made there on the right. And we only get tiny glimpses of this area on the show, so that was kind of fun for me. I suspect they probably show a little bit more of this area in season 6. But anyway, I got to imagine the details, so I included some of the show's warm yellow, blue, red, and green colors. I built the cabinets on the back wall, and I made the bed out of pieces that I had. It seemed like it would have been Siegfried's family crib when he was a baby, and just kept here in the attic. And since it was originally just a blank attic space, I thought Mrs. Hall might still have herbs drying on the rafters. There's the view back to the bedroom on the other side. And I made the tiny cabinet from a magazine photo, and the other micro mini furniture was a Christmas gift from my sister last year. And I have more on my wish list this year. But speaking of Christmas, that video is next. I'll have a full tour of the finished rooms, and I'll show them decorated for Christmas. So please tune in for that next Sunday, and consider subscribing to my channel for more big and small house tours. For more content, visit my website, ifitweremine.com.